What am I doing? Oh yeah! Aww, look at this puppy. He looks so cute. So cute. Now it's time for me to go to school. Worst day. Wait, I need someone to take a good care of my puppy. Who can do that for me? Oh yeah, maybe Shadow. Let's ask him. So why are we always sitting here? I don't even know. Hey guys. Great. An idiot. Yeah, I know. I'm right here. Well, worse than trying not to hear you. Whatever. So, Shad, my homie dog, my chicken. What do you want? Oh, can you take care of my pet for me? No. What about you, monkey? Never. Not even for a onion? No. Get you hard. Knuckles, what are you doing?
I'm trying to make these shoes not be tight.
Oh. Cool.
What do you want?
What?
What do you want?
Huh? What do you want? I just want to ask you a question before, well, whatever you were doing. So, I'm going to school, right? Uh-huh. But I have no one to take care of my, pet. So, can you take care of that one, Can I?
What's a pet?
Oh, a pet is like a dog, or cat, or bird, or bunny,
Or an echidna? Right?
What?
Like an echidna.
I thought echidnas were extinct.
You son of a...
Oh, you didn't need to do that. Fine, get someone else. For Pete's sake, I have no one to keep an eye on my pet. All of them are brats. Huh? Sonic doesn't even want to do it.
Do what, bunny?
Oh, nothing.
What is it?
Oh, fine, I'll tell you. Can you keep an eye on my dog? Let me guess, you're gonna say no, like the rest of them.
Oh, no, bunny. Okay, I can take care of him.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You is a beautiful hedgehog.
Ew. Go to school already.
Wait. Don't you need some instructions so you know what to do with him?
No, I already know what to do with stupid, ugly dogs. Let me guess. You take care of him. Done.
Not. Yeah, you take care of him, but there's more to it than just that.
You feed him.
Yeah?
You take him on a walk.
Uh-huh.
And you get him water. Okay, you know what? Just go to school so I can take an eye on this bad boy. Go.
You sure?
Bunny, I swear, if you ask one more time, I'm gonna...
Okay, I'll go. Come on, guys! Pika. Okay, I'll wait for you.
Okay, you sweet little dog. Now, I have to keep an eye on you. So... I don't think Bunny gave him a name. Did he name him? I really don't remember. He never told me, so... I guess I can just call you, I don't know, Spike? Yeah, I'm gonna call you Spike. Okay. Now, you stay here, puppy. I gotta do some crap. Literally, I gotta crap. Okay, puppy, I am back. And geez, was that crap good. Nah, I didn't like taste it. It felt good. Get it. How you doing? Did something just happen? Nah, he must be under covers. You still. He's in the pillow. Of course. Why didn't I think of that? I mean, he's in the Leonardo pillow. Okay, there's one more pillow, and I'm afraid. Come on, he's in here. I know he is. Okay. Now it's playtime. Get out of that pillow. Oh crap! I lost him. I lost him. I gotta find him. Oh, yeah. Do you have Amy? Oh yeah, Amy. Yeah, Amy. Jeez, Amy. Put the hammer down. Gosh. Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Who did that? Whoever did that, I'm gonna strangle them with my freaking fists in the throat. Hey, Supersonic, do you have any idea where is, Spike? You punched me? What? Oh, you're so gonna regret that. Wait, man. What are you talking about? You literally just hit me in the back of my head when I was taking a good nap, and that nap was beautiful. Please let me dream of Amy again. Wait, what? You talking about Amy? What? I didn't say nothing about that pink freak. I don't even know her. She's a lesbian. Oh yeah, I was gonna beat your butt up. Come on, put him up. Wait, hey, I just came to ask you where's Spike? Who? Spike. Who is Spike? You know, Bunny's pet? No, I haven't seen him. Oh, well, thanks for nothing, jerk. Wait, can we... forget it. Let me just go back to take my nap. Oh, Amy, yes. Blah, 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 blah. Beep. Me. Hey, are you okay? Ugh, sleeping again. He's gonna miss the movie. You know what? Forget about it. He's not even gonna see the movie. Oh yes, I'm gonna see the movie all by myself. Oh, he's not gonna wake up. Hey, monkey. Monkey, you look a little different today. Did you take some pills or something, bro? You just murder a monkey or something? Oh, you're here too? Wait, what are you doing here? Oh, Supersonic woke up and kicked my butt. So I fall over. Yeah, he gave me a whooping. Did you just fall over by yourself? What? I will never do such a clumsy thing in my life. What are you talking about? I never do anything clumsy, yes. I knew it, you're just sad. Shut up, you're sad. Wait, is that a dog? Sonic? Oh crap. Don't worry, bro. I got you. Oh, that good poster. Sonic, what did your dog... Why did he do that?
I don't know. He's a brat. You gotta ask him if you want to get the information. But do you saw anywhere what he went?
No, I was under the freaking thing, remember?
Oh yeah. You know, I'm going over here. Wait, get back here and fix this so I can relax.
Sonic is so dead.
Boo like a shot, dude. Oh yeah, this is cool. Oh good. Ow. Mikey. Dude, I swear to goodness I did not do that. Mikey. Dude, listen what I say. It wasn't me. Oh, you're so... Wait, a dog? Wait, I'm not a dog. I'm a Ninja Turtle. No, dude. Behind you. Wait, what? Dude! Oh, you're sure gonna pay for that. Get over here. No one pushed Mikey except for me. Oh god, that is not good. It's so tight. I can feel my toes. Oh, the puppy. Huh? Oh, you sweet little puppy. What you come for? Oh, do. Oh, Scooby-Doo. I'm calling you Stupid-Doo. Well, this is just weird. Knuckles, you better give me that puppy now so I can strangle him to death. What? You're not gonna strangle this puppy. Wait. Look what you did. You scared off the puppy. Well, I wouldn't scare off the puppy if the puppy wouldn't push Mikey and me. More importantly, me. So rude. Anyway, I'm gonna strangle him. Wait, what? Don't worry, puppy. I'll save you. Oh, these shoes are too heavy. You're not gonna choke him. Oh, is that a hat? Oh, that's a good looking hat. But I'm gonna have to forget that for now. I gotta worry about this person. Oh, you're dead. Oh, wait. Kids, don't choke your dog. That's dangerous. Don't do that. He's gonna bite you. And plus, that's animal abuse. Don't do that. Don't do this to your dog. This is for entertainment. So. You're so dead. You're so dead. You're dead. Huh? No one strokes my puppy. Oh, puppy. Oh, Spikey Spike, are you okay? You cute little Spike. Oh my God, I'll never let this happen to you. I am so sorry. Gosh, what a crybaby. Wait, what? He left? Oh, whatever. All that matters is that you're safe. Now, since you're back, what do you want to do? You know, you keep thinking, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom because I really need to go. Okay, sorry, but that toilet break felt good. I didn't eat it. I wouldn't do that. I'm not a weirdo. Oh yeah, what are you? Oh, not again!
Almost there, puppy. So close. Almost there. So close to you. So close to you, you cute, adorable papa. I will save you. I will save you. Oh, hey, Spider-Man. You're a freaking weirdo. What? What's so bad about warning me about a dog? So, how are we getting back home again? I don't know. Sonic said that Supersonic will build a time machine, yada yada yada. Just wait your patience. Fine, dude. But I swear, if something happens to that time machine, or me, more importantly me, dude, I am not ever gonna trust you again. One thing happens to me, I am gonna scream at your face. Wait! Whoa, Mikey! Huh? Whoa, dude, look at that dog. You're next.
Wait. What did I do? What did I do?
Bro, that is not cool. You are gonna pay for that. Ooh. Really, Leo? You kidding me? You're a shame. That's it. Teen Turtles, assemble! Dude. Teen Turtles assemble, dude? Really? Bro, what do you think this is? The Avengers? We are Ninja Turtles, not the Avengers. Get a good catchphrase. Look, dude, I am freaking trying. I don't see you coming up with a catchphrase. Gosh. Hello everyone, this is Sonic the Hedgehog, and guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and you gotta go fast. Goodbye.
Wait, hey. I'm cool. Look, Deadpool up there, just to let you know. You gotta go fast. Again, this thing in the video so I can kill everyone in this town.